However, as we did a direct query, and since it is a type of two different kinds of imports, one is the import function and one is a direct query, two ways in which we are trying to connect to the database. That is the reason Microsoft opened this feature for such configuration. When there are dispersed databases of different kinds talking to each other, Microsoft said we would remove the restrictions of many to many and permit Power BI Desktop to have many to many relationship. So in this case, I exactly know there is GL account number and GL, both are the same things. So if I try to build a relationship, it would try to GL account number. It's still determining the cardinality and it sees automatically it's a cardinality. Do you want to apply security filter on both the sides? Yes. Do you want single mapping? This table filters the other table or the other table filters this table, both ways. So cross filter direction means which table's data follows which table. In this scenario, GL master data follows the data selected in MIS GLCC mapping table. If it is another way of doing it is GLCC mapping table follows the GL master old table, or you want both to work together, each filtering the other. So these are the three ways of cross filter direction which we have. Do you want to have security filter in both directions or no? And make this relationship active, or do you don't want to have this active? We say it is active relationship. We want security filter, and it comes up with a warning which we saw just back that we are okay with it. Now we have many to many relationship. Now if we go back and see in our desktop, let's take a new screen, right? This is many to many. All right, now let's take a look at GL. We don't want invoices, we want GL master. Let's say I have a GL master. Okay, and now I'm also having, and let me change it to a filter. So there we are. Now let's have a look at this table, and I say there is a GL available over here, and I filter it again. So now if you look at it, if I do this, it would not show because it doesn't have a value. If I say 4200, so just to enable this kind of a thing, let's do drop down, scroll it down to probably, this is already sorted, so 2450, and you would see that value is available over here. Now if I say this, it gets filtered. Now so this is a both ways filtering, right? 420050, let's say this, and now if you go back, that's not there. Let's see 4200150, is it there? Not there. There you 204050, 204050, and if I change it to list and it's present, so this is the dual filter what we have. Now let's change the relationship over here. Let's say GL account number would be followed by GL. So whatever you select over here, this would get auto filtered. So now let's go back to our drawing board, which is the model, and let's click on the relationship. Let's say the GL master old filters this table. So which one is GL master? GL account number is the master old will filter GLCC table. So this master old will filter GLCC table. And when I say this, okay, and I say Okay. Now this one filters this, so it is a singular direction. Did you see the direction where it is going? That means whatever you select from the old table would be reflected and filtered on the new table. Now let's go back to the charts. Now this is the old table, this is the new table. So 4200450 was the number. So let's search 4204050 4200450 This one gets filtered. Now let's do one thing. Now let's select 4200450 over here. Where is my 4200450? Did you see a fact that after selecting, where is the number? Yes, you've selected a value, but it did not filter the parent. So this kind of a parent-child relationship can be formed in this system.